Hey, I wanted to make a quick recording. Today is Thanksgiving Day 2023. Joe Cantu here, and I'm going to talk about S&P 500 earnings.
Welcome to Retirement Tactical Money Management. Joe Cantu, Chief Investment Officer of Cantu Tactical Wealth Management, is your host and has over 30 years of experience in the retirement money management profession. He is a West Point graduate with a master's in business administration and has worked for 3 of the largest Wall Street firms as a stockbroker and portfolio manager.
Hi, Joe Cantu here. Today is Thanksgiving Day 2023. I wanted to talk about S&P 500 earnings. Wanted to wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving from Ronald Liston, Joshua Carvalho, and I. I'm here in Dallas making this report. The other funny thing is my wife and granddaughter and grandson are both direct descendants of the Mayflower. Mary Allerton came over in the Mayflower, and my wife is a Mayflower descendant. So this is a very special day for us here at the Cantu family. Anyway, real quickly, I wanted to report that of the 94% of the companies reporting for the third quarter for 2023, the earnings per share were 82%. Had an upside earnings report surprise of 82%, and that's amazing. Many of you know this. We have a secret number out there, and that number it's a 70, and normally numbers come in are between 74 and maybe 73 and 77. This is 82, so this is a very, very good quarter. What's interesting is 62% of the companies also reported upside revenue, and that's a big number as well. And finally, I want to talk about valuation. You know, people talk about, is the S&P 500 undervalued or overvalued? It's actually undervalued, and the way we look at that is we look at the PE ratio, and the PE ratio is under the 5-year average. The 5-year average is 18.8. It's currently at 18.6. So how do you interpret that? You interpret that to say that there's room for the stock market to go higher. So in general, very good third quarter earnings results for the S&P 500, which is people call the stock market, and the interpretation is there's room for the stock market to go higher. Have a happy Thanksgiving.
Joe Cantu, Chief Investment Officer of Cantu Tactical Wealth Management, is your host and has over 30 years of experience in the retirement money management profession. He is a West Point graduate with a master's in business administration and has worked for 3 of the largest Wall Street firms as a stockbroker and portfolio manager. Over 10 years ago, he created Cantu Tactical Wealth Management, which actively balances and selects investments based on a tactical approach rather than the traditional strategic management method. Instead of the buy and hold philosophy, he believes in the pursuit of finding investments showing momentum, performance regardless of the direction of the market. His experience includes IRA accounts, 401k rollovers, trusts, endowments, defined benefit plans, 403bs, and 401k plans. Additionally, he served as a night college instructor for seniors, teaching high net worth retirement and estate planning for 14 years. Podcast views and personal opinions are for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute a recommendation. Investing has risk of loss, and you should consult with your own advisors for any financial decisions. Cantu Tactical Wealth Management and Joe Cantu are a fiduciary firm and registered investment advisor in the states of California, Florida, Georgia, and Texas, providing pure independent advice and money management.